Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance video. Today's video is kind of cool. I thought about doing this video for a while, so here we go. I'm going to give you my top 5 no compliment fragrances. Pretty much it's fragrances that I really thought I wish I could compliment with, but I don't, but I do enjoy wearing them. So if you want to hear more about this, it's coming right up. Today's video is going to be cool. My top 5 no compliment fragrances. These are fragrances that I wish I got compliments with when I wear it. It smells good. I enjoy most of these fragrances, but I never got compliments with them. So before we start this top 5 no compliment fragrances, what is your scent of the day, ladies and gentlemen? Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you're wearing today. Let's start the top 5. Before we start, I'm not paid by any of these fragrances at all. Not sponsored, nothing. These are just my own opinions, and I bought these fragrances with my own hard-earned money. So here we go. My number 5 is a fragrance that I heard about, people talk about. Bradley from Triple Ink. Shout out to Bradley. What's up, man? How you doing? Good luck in school, and I enjoy your fragrance video. Hope you make more. So my number 5 is a fragrance he told me about, and it is Remarkable People. Great fragrance, but never got compliments with this fragrance here. I enjoy the smell of it. It's really nice. You spray it. Just great. Champagne, pretty much basically a champagne fragrance. Never had one before. I sprayed like, first time I wore it, I sprayed 2-3 sprays. I wore it for a whole week. So then after like the third day, I started putting 6 sprays on it. And like the last day, I put like 8 sprays on it. And I only got about 5, maybe 6 hours on my skin. I got like maybe an hour projection, and nobody said anything. I went to dinner one night with my girlfriend. You know, no compliments. She likes the fragrance, but there was like no compliments. Like when I went out like to get food, I went to the library to do some research on some stuff. No compliments. Took my mom out to get some food one night. No compliments. Just I wore it to work. No compliments. You know, it's kind of sad, but I do like it. I do like wearing it. So that's my number 5. Remarkable People. If you heard about this fragrance, please leave a comment below. Let me know. But it just didn't work for me. So let's jump right into number 4. Number 4 fragrance. Got this overseas a couple weeks ago when I was on vacation. The bottle was awesome. I did a review about it. You can check down below in the other videos I have on my channel. And it just didn't work. I still like wearing. I like the magnetic cap if you hear that snapping. But it just didn't work for me. I'm going to try some more. It's still hot here in New Jersey, South Jersey, and it just didn't work for me. They call it a club banger fragrance. But anyway, here we go. My number 4 is from House of Carolina Herrera. And it is 212 VIP Party Fever. Just didn't work. I got no compliments or nothing. I do like the smell of it. Has citrus notes in it. It's fresh. It's just it's a fragrance that I do like. I thought I would get like compliments with it because it's just nice. It's fresh, and I didn't get any compliments with it. So it just didn't work for me. I got about 2 hours of projection, and I got about a good maybe 5 hours on my skin. I thought it would do something for me. I thought it would be awesome, but it's not. It didn't work for me. I wear it to work a few times. Nobody said nothing. You know, usually people say, oh, that smells good or it smells bad. I got no compliments at all or no feedback. I wore it when I went out to dinner to get pizza one time at Pizza Hut. No compliments. I mean, I wore it to Walmart and got nothing. And I'm like, usually when I go to Walmart, people pick up on my fragrance because like when I walk down the aisles, I'm like the only one probably wearing fragrances sometimes. But it just didn't work for me. I wore it to Wendy's one time to get some food during the day, I think like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and no compliments. I went inside, ordered my food, the people there, and just didn't get nothing. I walked by about 4 or 5 people. So no compliments with this fragrance here. Distribution's nice, sprays a lot. It's nice, but nothing. I know it does have a note of cannabis in it, but I don't smell it in this fragrance at all. I feel like it's not in this fragrance. I think it's just a marketing scam. But if you smell it in the fragrance, please let me know. But I just smell pretty much citrus, fresh fragrance. You can wear it to the club if you want, but I smell it. I smell fresh and clean with this fragrance here, like citrusy, but no compliments. So this is my number 4 for the House of Carolina Herrera, 212 VIP Man Party Fever. Now we're going to jump into my number 3 no compliment fragrance. Number 3 no compliment fragrance is a fragrance that I got this year, 2018. I like the bottle presentation by itself. It's really nice. You guys probably seen this on my channel. I talked about it. I like the whole presentation of the can and the bottle. The body, it's great, but I never got compliments of fragrance here, and it's no other than a fragrance from the House of Jean Paul Gaultier, and it is in the navy, 2018. Didn't get compliments with it. I tried so hard. I went 4 sprays the first time on a Monday, no compliments. Then I went 6 sprays, no compliments. Then I went 8 sprays, no compliments. Then I just pulled the trigger and went like 10 to 15 sprays, still no compliments. I got an hour projection for it, so I guess maybe that's a factor. And I got about maybe 5 to 6 hours on my skin. It's not much. So, and within that 5.5 to 6 hour mark, you really got to dig your nose in and smell it. But I got no compliment with this fragrance. Pretty sad because the bottle is awesome, and the old other flankers, I heard people get a lot of compliments with them. But the 2018, I got no compliments. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I like the cool, peel like a little grenade, kind of pull the cap, and distribution is really good. Smells fresh. It has that vanilla and mint to it. You smell the mint, it's nice. Doesn't last very long in the fragrance, but it's very nice with the mint and vanilla. You would think you would compliments with vanilla and mint, but I got no compliments at all, you know. And I wore it several times out for like a week and a half, and just nothing. So it is what it is. So this is my number 3 no compliment fragrance, 2008 Jean Paul Gaultier in the navy. If you tried this fragrance, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you like this fragrance, leave a comment below. Now we're going to jump into my number 2 no compliment fragrance. Number 2 not get no compliment fragrances is, oh man, this fragrance, I always thought I get compliments with it, but I didn't get compliments with the first one, so I guess I just was so hyped on it because the bottle looked awesome. Anyway, my number 2 is a fragrance that has notes of ginger, has notes of sage, has notes of bergamot, apple accord. It's a nice fresh fragrance, but I got no compliments with fragrance. And my number 2, I'm sorry to say, people might like this, but Yvessaintlaurent Eau de Parfum, 2018. I just didn't get compliments with it. I wish I did. I liked the bottle presentation just like the first one, but it didn't work for me. I wore it several times out, maybe because the projection isn't the best on my skin. I got between 1 to 2 hours of projection, and longevity wasn't that long. I think I got maybe 4 hours on my skin. I feel like that was maybe the longest I've got, or I could smell it on my skin. I just never got compliments with this fragrance here. The bottle's really nice, you know, and just, it didn't work for me. I wish it did. I'm going to try more testing, but I wore it for like a week and a half and nothing. So I might have to go hard on the trigger. I did like 5 sprays on this. Maybe I have to do like 6 or maybe 10, maybe see if it works better. But Yvessaintlaurent Eau de Parfum didn't work for me. You know, the notes are awesome with the ginger, vetiver, the apple accord. You would think it would work. Like, oh, this is great, but nothing. And it has citrus in it, just nothing. Distribution is really great. Shoots a lot. But it didn't work for me. My number 2, Yvessaintlaurent Eau de Parfum, 2018. Now we're going to jump into my number 1 that got me no compliments at all fragrance. Okay, now we're down to my number 1 fragrance that got me no compliments. This company makes great fragrances. Let me put that out there. This fragrance came out years ago, and I was like, oh, this is great. You know, the bottle was nice. It looked sexy. It smelled good. I thought it'd get ladies' reactions. I saw the commercials. I was overhyped. And that happens with people. You know, you see something like, this is it. This is the big thing. And I never got compliments with the fragrance. So I'm going to tell you what it is. It is Bleu de Chanel Parfum, the EDT, the original Bleu de Chanel. They have flankers like Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum, and then they have the Parfum version. This one never got me compliments. This bottle's empty. I've worked so much trying to get compliments. It never worked out for me. You know, it's just I wore 3 sprays, nothing. Then I wore 4 sprays, nothing. Then 6 sprays, nothing. Then 10 sprays, nothing. I just pretty much gave up. I was like, I'm just going to wear it until I finish the bottle, since it, it was, it's kind of expensive, but yeah, nothing. You know, I went on a couple of dates when I first tried this bottle out, nothing. I've asked them, they said it seems nice, but they would never compliment me on this fragrance here. They said they do think it's really too strong with this fragrance here, so maybe I did 2-3 sprays. Maybe it was too much. Maybe I should only did 2 sprays. But I tried 2 sprays one time when my boys out to get food at a bar. It didn't work. Then I went 4 sprays one time when I went to movies with my brothers. Nobody gave me compliments. So Bleu de Chanel EDT doesn't work for me. Maybe it works for you. That's awesome. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if this works for you. But Bleu de Chanel EDT doesn't work. The EDP, Eau de Parfum, works for me, and the Parfum works amazing. This doesn't work. Projection-wise, it's good. I got like 2 hours. Longevity, I got 8 hours. Really nice, but it just didn't work on my skin. Where I guess compliment-wise, it didn't work. You know, so that sucks for me, but I used the bottle. At least I used it, and I do like having this as a display in my collection of fragrances. It just didn't work for me. So my number 1 is Bleu de Chanel EDT. What are the 5 fragrances that don't work on your skin or don't get compliments? Ladies and gentlemen, please leave a comment below letting me know. Thanks everybody for watching my channel. This video is about to end. All I'm going to ask you for is one time, if you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxing, free giveaways, please click the subscribe button on the screen right now to support my channel. I appreciate that a lot. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you do subscribe to the channel, please leave a comment below. Let me know you subscribe so I can put your YouTube name in the free giveaway. I'm coming up really soon. I'm going to give away a couple fragrances for reaching 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Everybody means the world to me when you watch my videos, whether you're a subscriber or not. For the kindness of my heart, thank you, and hope everybody has a nice day.